Good morning, students. So, welcome to our new chapter 7 subject verb agreement. So, students, what do you mean by agreement? So, students, here agreement between the condition. So, the condition between whom? The condition between subject and verb. So, students, you all know what is called subject and what is called verb. So, subject is a doer of action, it means who performs the action, and verb is the action word. So, you all are clear about the subject and verb. So, now today let's see what is the agreement or what is the condition between subject and verb. So, before going to the chapter, I want to say one thing. If the subject is singular, then verb must be in singular form. So this is called condition and this is called agreement. So let it be clear by seeing this example in column A and in column 2. So now read these sentences. First, all of you look at column A. The boy is driving the car. I am 12 years old. He is happy. The girl speaks well. She likes reading. My sister is tall. Okay, students, see it. Here, only we have to find out the subject and verb here. Do not focus at any other thing. Only focus at the subject and the verb here. So let us find out the subject and the verb. So in the first sentence, the boy is driving. So you know the boy is the subject and driving is the verb. Not only the driving, but is driving is the verb. Why is driving is the verb? Because driving is an action word or it is called doing word. So not only the doing word, but also verb can be a state of being. But in this example, the boy means subject is singular. Okay, so the boy means only one boy, so subject is singular. So here verb is also singular, is driving. Okay, now look at the second. I am 12 years old. So I is the subject and subject is in singular form and it is first person singular. So here the singular verb am. Now third, he is happy. He is a third person singular. I am talking about the singular. So the verb is singular. Now the girl means only one girl. So speaks also singular form of the verb. So the girl is a third person singular. So that here we add s to the verb. Now come to the next. She likes reading. So she is a third person singular. So verb is also here singular. Likes. My sister is tall. My sister means only one sister. So singular. So also the verb is also singular. Now look the difference between here. The boys are driving the car. So what is the difference between two? Here only the boy means only one boy, but here the boys means more than one boys. So here we had each because subject was singular, but here we have are because the subject are plural. The students see, the students means more than one students. The subject is the plural, so verb also will be the plural form. We are happy. We means plural subject. Okay, that first person plural. So here verb is also are plural. Now the girls, not one girl, more than one girl. So the verb is speak. Here you can mark it no s in the last. Why no n? Because it is third person plural. So we know that in third person singular we can add s, but not in the third person singular, sorry, not in the third person plural. Now they like reading. They means more than one, or subject is the plural, so the verb like is the plural. It is not like she. Here she is the third person singular, so verb is likes, s form. But here they is a third person plural. Okay, so the verb is also in plural form, no s here. My sisters, plural. Here my sister, singular, so singular subject, singular verb, singular, sorry, plural subjects and plural verb. So this is called the agreement between subject and verb. If the subject is the singular, then verb must be in singular form. If the subject is the plural, then verb must be in the plural form. So this is called subject verb agreement. Hope students you are clear about this. So in subject verb agreement we have 10 rules. How many rules? 10 rules. So don't worry students, I am sharing some videos and you can clear about all the rules, and also after every rules I will explain how. So thank you students for this video and enjoy this video. Any doubt can ask me. Thank you.